In the heart of our studio, creativity flourishes, a beacon of hope and resilience against the dragons of mental health challenges and physical conditions. Every day, armed with love and art, we face off against agoraphobia, anxiety, depression, osteoporosis, and COPD. These battles, fierce and unyielding, have become our teachers, imparting the profound lesson of resilience. Art, in its infinite forms and expressions, has become our sanctuary, a shared space where struggle transforms into creativity. This journey, albeit challenging, is illuminated by the art we create. It provides us with strength and solace, a lifeline in the face of adversity. As we navigate this creative voyage, we understand the importance of maintaining our tools of expression. Just as we nurture our health, the care and upkeep of our sublimation equipment are essential to sustain its performance and longevity. Today, we share a few insights on maintaining your sublimation printer and heat press. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting your creative journey, these tips will help you maximize the potential of your sublimation gear. Let's dive into the world of sublimation printers. Maintenance is vital for consistent, high-quality prints. Start by cleaning your printer regularly. Dust, debris, and ink residue can affect print quality. So, power off and unplug your printer, then gently clean the exterior and print heads with a soft, lint-free cloth. Regularly inspect for any clogs in the print heads or ink lines. If found, use a recommended cleaning solution to clear them. Also, keep an eye on your ink cartridges. Ensure they're correctly installed and replace them as needed. Streaks or lines in prints? This could be due to clogged print heads. Clean them, and you should be good to go. If you're experiencing color inconsistencies, calibrate your printer's color settings and ensure you're using quality sublimation inks. Moving on to the heat press. For optimal performance, regularly check and adjust the temperature, pressure, and time settings according to the material you're working with. After use, wipe the heat platen with a non-abrasive cleaner to remove any residue. Here's a quick maintenance checklist. Clean the print heads and ink lines weekly. Inspect for clogs and check ink cartridge levels monthly. And every quarter, calibrate color settings and inspect for any wear or damage. Maintaining your sublimation equipment not only ensures the longevity of your tools, but also the quality of your creations. The heart of your art lies in the care you provide to your tools. For more tips and resources or to support our mission, visit us at www.devilndove.com or explore our unique handmade creations at www.devilndove.online. Together we can create art that resonates and endures.